Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very easy way to lace up a corset. And I'm going to show you my easiest way. There's quite a few ways. This is a recent way that I've learned. I used to do it a lot more difficult. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your string. This is my Bridgerton stays. So they're a little bit shorter. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to put them through the reverse side of the eyelet, both sides. So both sides are going to go through the reverse side of the eyelet. You should have one line across both strings coming out of the top. Next, we're going to make an X. And so we're going to take the right side over to the left side. We're going to put it straight through the top, not under. We're doing over this time. Now for the other side, you're going to take the left side. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to put it through over, not under. You should have something that looks like this. A line across the top, two X's, easy peasy. So next, you're going to put it back under. Where a lot of people make a mistake at this part is, and I work with corsets at my job, and I have to explain this to people a lot. People automatically want to just go back in through the top. We're going to be alternating this whole time. So you're going to want to go, we're crossing again. We're crossing right here. You're going to go up like so. And we're going to pull this so it looks a little nicer. There you go. So now you're going to have a line under. Same with the other side. You're going to go across. You're going to go under, not over. There you go. Then you have an X on the inside. You're going to go back over. I know you guys are like, this is so redundant. This is the easiest thing ever. You'd be surprised. People make this harder than it has to be. And then you go back over. And now you have three X's. If you could see, you have a line, X over the top, X under, X over the top. You're not going to see the line under. When you pull your corset taut, one of my least favorite words, you're going to see the two X's on the top formed like that. Okay, I hope you guys are able to lace your own corsets. I will post other corset tying tutorials, more complicated, different patterns. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you.